Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily use the Google Calendar. So if you wanna learn how to use a Google Calendar, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply make sure that you have installed the Google Calendar app from the Play Store. Once you are done, what you have to do is to simply open up the app. Now this is basically the Google Calendar, which shows you the exact date that is going on and the month. Moreover, you can do is to just select any of the date. For example, if I'll tap on 18th, you can go for any of the time. Like example, I click on 1 a.m, 12 p.m, or anything you want. I will get a very bottom, which is like add or plus button. You can simply add an event, like anything you want. You can add birthday, event, task, or anything. You can click for it. You can add task, you can add an event. If you want to add event, you can add birthday, and you can add location, you can add color, and then tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. If you'll go back, you can tap on the three little horizontal lines. You will get the schedule, day, and 3 days, week, and you can select different accounts as well. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.